What's up, guys? This is TampaTec. Recently, my friend Anthony dropped off this TV. It's an LG 55LF6090 model number, and it has a damaged HDMI port. Actually, two damaged HDMI ports. TV Parts Today supplied me with a board, so I'm going to show you the easy way and the harder way to fix that TV. Here it is right here. So now we're able to remove this. I guess not. This screws right here too. There we go. I'm able to take this off now. Okay, now this is the power supply board that supplies power throughout the TV. This is the T-Con board, which is connected to the LCD panel using these ribbon cable connections that you see right here and here. And what we're going to look at is the main logic board, the motherboard. And so let's go ahead and remove this. And this. And this. There we go. And then you want to pinch the sides right here and pull this plug out. There we go. That's out. And then do the same thing. Squeeze the sides, pull that out. And this one, you have to pinch the back end. And then this one, always grab the plug itself. Don't pull on the wires. Never pull on the wires. Man, look, this thing is just falling apart on me. What is going on here? This board just fell apart on me. Look, they ripped out the HDMI cable connections right here. So this is two HDMI ports that are missing. And I don't know how that happened. Look at that.
All right, got that board on my workbench, got some flux, and I'm just gonna wipe it across those connections. And also on the ground connections on the side. Underneath, there's the ground connections. I'm gonna remove the solder or solder. And this is a desoldering tool. And so I'm just using hot air and pliers and heating it up for about like a few minutes, and it should come right off. You never want to rip it off. You just want to make sure it's heated up and it comes off on its own. Now right here, I'm going to move it over to HDMI 2 slot. That's where it was ripped off. And so I'm going to go ahead and prep those connections using flux and tinning those connections with some 60-40 solder or solder. Make sure you don't bridge those connections. If you do, just wipe it down, and then you can use, desoldering braid. And then right here, I'm also tinning those connections and adding flux, as you can see right here. And using my digital microscope, it really helps. Now I'm installing it on HDMI 2 port and soldering the ground connections first. This Link Micro digital scope is really great, very handy. Even when I had a splinter, it actually helped me big time. And so you want to solder all 4 ground connections. And so now it looks like the pins line up perfectly. So now we're just going to add some solder, and then I'm using the heat gun first, just showing you 2 techniques. You can use the heat gun, or you can use an soldering iron. And I'm just wiping it down, tinning all the connections and bridging those connections, or connecting those connections to the soldering pads. You don't want to bridge the pins together. If you do bridge the pins together, you use a desoldering braid right here, and that helps. And double check your connections. This looks actually pretty good.
Let's go ahead. So I moved the HDMI port from, looks like that was 3, and I moved it over to 2, HDMI port 2. And so let's go ahead and see if that fixed the issue. I know I'm missing the other HDMI ports and the component port. I know this board still needs work, but I'm just showing you it is possible to remove and replace the HDMI connection with, I'm not an advanced technician by any means, but I can fix some TVs. So let's go ahead and plug this in, and then plug it into, I guess, right here. It's fine. And then we got all the connections plugged in. Let's go ahead and plug in the power. Okay. Flip it over. Oh, look at that. It's working. There we go. Cool. So plug this. All right, so let's go ahead and remove this board. Squeeze that and just pull it out. Pinch these, pull these out, just like that. And then remove this. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. So now we can replace it with this board, and this board has all the ports. And this is from TV Parts Today. Let's go ahead and plug these connections in. And this is the easy way to fix your HDMI port or just fix your TV in general. All right, and then let's put this back in. So this goes on top. It should sit flush like that. So you kind of sit this down flush, and then this goes on top. There we go. All right, let's go ahead, and obviously we're going to plug this in. This is going to, of course, work because it's a brand new board. And so let's go ahead and power it on. Okay. So the TV is working. We're good shape. So there's 2 ways to fix your TV: the hard way and, of course, the easy way, which, you just swap out the board. Anyway, if this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that this video will help in the future, go ahead and click on the share button below. Share this video to them. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos.